This video is not about manipulating someone into thinking about you non-stop. It's actually about using clever psychological tricks to make a girl think about you non-stop. So the difference between them both is that manipulating someone is convincing them to think a certain way, but using deceitful techniques to get them to do so. Psychological tricks, however, are ethical ways that use the knowledge that we know about the human brain to our advantage. And in today's video, we are going to teach you about some psychological tricks that you can use to make a girl think about you non-stop. So sit tight and make sure you like and subscribe. Don't message or phone her every day. When you are constantly there for someone to talk to, they actually start to take you for granted. They might start acting cold or not reply for days. It's too easy for them to get you. And if you want a girl to think about you non-stop, you've got to play hard to get. One of the ways to do this is to not instantly reply. Make sure you have some days that you don't message and don't phone at all. You need to appear busy, like you have other things to do that don't include her. We are all human and we want to be the center of someone's world. So when someone is not replying to us, our brains start racing. We think about the last time we saw that person and what they might be getting up to. She will wonder if you have another girl on the go, and you'll notice that, well, she starts to contact you more. Smell nice. We associate certain smells with certain people. Our brains are naturally wired to do this, and it's something we do without even realizing. So make sure that you have a signature scent that you wear around her. It might be that your clothes always smell freshly washed, or that you wear a signature cologne. She might be out and about and smell something similar, or maybe walk past someone wearing the same scent as you, and she will immediately begin to think about you. The scent is a key part of getting her to not stop thinking about you. Tell her about your life. Yes, divulging your secrets can lead to a lady thinking about you non-stop. She might be talking to her friends and one of them is having a similar experience to you. Or she could be lying in bed at night thinking about your life stories. She could also go to a cafe and see a drink on the menu and think, Matthew would really like that. It's those little things that she will think about often and remember you, and then start to think about you more. Take things nice and slow. This trick comes from the term playing hard to get, because if you rush into things too quick, you run the risk of her getting bored. She might think about you intensely for a week and then suddenly, she's not interested. You want her to think about you for a longer period of time to allow her feelings to grow and only get stronger. So make sure to space those dates out and not rush into the relationship. Give her time to become addicted to you. Be a little bit mysterious. Do not give her everything at once. Keep some things back and allude to things like whether you are dating another woman or not. It keeps her on her toes and wonders what you are really up to when you guys are not together. Number 6, post pictures on social media. When we see someone having fun, immediately we have that FOMO, which is the fear of missing out. And social media means that we are constantly getting a front row seat to other people's lives. So why not use this to your advantage? Post a few pictures of you spending time with your friends, especially girlfriends. She won't know that they are just your friends and she's going to get jealous. She will also see that you have other people in your life which makes you more high value, and she will then continue to think about you non-stop. Be confident. Confidence is oh so important when you want to make sure a girl is thinking about you non-stop. She is not really going to think about a guy that is nervous and hardly speaks now, is she? She wants a man who can confidently come up with any conversation, talk to her friends and family with ease, and go after what he wants. Now, we have plenty of videos on how to improve your confidence levels, so make sure you check them out next if you feel you are struggling with your self-esteem and confidence. Leave something behind. Say you are going to your crush's house. Make sure to leave something behind to remind her of you. The best thing would be your jumper, as girls love to wear other guys' jumpers, but you could also leave your hat or your scarf. It will most likely smell like you, and you will have to actually fight to get it back, which means she wants to see you again. Now, smells are a huge part of overall attraction, so her being around your smell for longer will increase her feelings for you, and she will think about you non-stop. Look your best, always. Women go for guys with good personality, but also what is on the outside does matter a lot too. She wants to date a guy who can take care of himself and can dress well. Looking your best starts with exercise, grooming, and flattering clothing. If you do struggle to find clothes or you do struggle to shop for yourself, ask a friend or a member of your family. Stay on top of working out and always keep your grooming routine modern. This will drive her crazy for you because, well, you will just be very irresistible. Have your own life. It's nice that you want someone to share your life with, but you still have to have your own life too. This means your own friends, hobbies, interests, career, and goals. And if you don't think you are where you want to be at this stage of your life, then take a step back and think about what you need to do to get there. Work on yourself first before letting someone else into your life. And once you do have your own life, hold on to it. Women want a man who has his own life. In fact, it's one of the most important things to them. And if you are busy with your own life as well, it's like playing hard to get, and she will be thinking about you non-stop. Make the best first impression. First impressions really do count. We only have 7 seconds to make a good impression on someone new. We often remember the people who make a good first impression, and then we kind of forget about the people that fall flat. So when it comes to making that first impression, it's all about how the other person feels in your presence. Tell her about your beliefs. What do you believe in? Now, I don't mean religion, but if you do have a religion, then definitely tell her about it. But I mean more your morals and values. You might believe that being kind is the most important thing, or even being honest. Whatever you believe in, make it very clear to her. She will think about what you've said and think if she shares the same beliefs. Now, you talking about beliefs will also make her think about how wise you are and thoughtful, which is something she will fall in love with. Make her trust you. When you want to get someone to trust you, you must get them to confide in you, which means you need to create an environment where she feels she can do so. So don't ask her something very personal whilst you guys are out at a bar. It's the wrong place. This is more of an at-home thing, or maybe when you guys are together at the beach. Somewhere that is private enough for her to open up. Try to open up to her first about something so she feels comfortable enough to do the same. And once she has told you something, that means she trusts you. She will start thinking about how you'd be a great boyfriend or how she might like to take things a step further. She's going to feel amazing that she's opened up to you, and that is really going to get the ball rolling for her to think, this guy is very important to me. If you think I missed something from today's video, let me know down in the comments. Give me a huge thumbs up and consider subscribing to make my day. But if you want to get your name rolling up next to my face, like these amazing people's names here, then all you have to do is click the link in the description bar below to find out a little bit more. Have an amazing day. See you soon.